Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here with my next video. Today we will start with this question, and the question is: distinguish between the needs of the self and the needs of the body, or the need for physical facilities is temporary. Explain the meaning of this statement with any two examples, or differentiate between the needs of self and the needs of body. And the answer is: the human being is the coexistence of I and the body, and there is exchange of information between the two. We can make this distinction between the self and the body in terms of the needs as shown in the table below. Needs are the needs of the body, like food or nourishment, clothes for protection, and instruments to ensure right utilization, can be categorized as being physical in nature or also called physical facilities. Suvidha, whereas the need of I is essentially to live in a state of continuous happiness, sukh. The needs of the body are physical in nature, whereas the needs of the self I are not physical in nature, like trust, respect, happiness, etc. Second, in time, needs are the needs of I are continuous in time, unlike the need of the body, which is temporary in time. We want happiness continuously. We also want the feeling of respect continuously, and so also acceptance in relationship. If we talk about food, clothing, shelter, or instruments, these are needed only for some amount of time, or we can say that the need for physical facilities of the body is temporary in time. It is not continuous. Third, inequality needs are physical facilities are needed for the body in a limited quantity. When we try and exceed these limits, it becomes troublesome for us after some time. Let's take the example of eating. As far as physical facilities, say rasgulla, go, they are necessary. In the beginning, but if we keep consuming it become intolerable with the passage of time. This applies to every physical facility. We can only think of having unlimited physical facilities, but if we try and consume or have too much of physical facilities, it only ends up becoming a problem for us. Whereas the need of I are qualitative, they are not quantifiable, but we also want them continuously. Our feelings are qualitative, either they are or they are not. Example, happiness is qualitative, either we are feeling happy or we are not. Also, if a feeling is not naturally acceptable, we don't want it even for a single moment. If acceptable, we want it continuously. Needs are fulfilled by the needs of the self. I for happiness, sukh, is ensured by right understanding and right feelings, while the need of the body for physical facilities, suvidha, is ensured by appropriate for physiochemical things. Thank you.